Someone the other day, in fact it was yesterday, asked me about meta tags on their website and how can they get their key phrases and keywords that they want onto their web page. Now in the past that used to be the case where you would type in all the key phrases and keywords that were appropriate for the page, but now that is irrelevant. Google has made a lot of changes in that area and that kind of thing just doesn't work anymore. So for you, the best thing that you can do is just to create and write natural content on the web page, and naturally Google is going to understand what that page is all about. There are 3 things that you can do to help for a key phrase or keywords that you want to target, okay? The first thing is the URL. Name the page is in the URL, name that page for the key phrase that you want it to be. So, for example, cheap kitchens, okay? So, website.com/cheap kitchens. That's the number 1. Number 2 is you can set the SEO title, which shows up in the search engine results as the first bar, okay? So, you can set it to be cheap kitchens at website.com. That's number 2. Number 3, you can set the description, the meta description. So in that you would say, check out this post about cheap kitchens at website.com where we go into more detail. And then those are the 3 things that you can do that do help you in the search results. Other than that, as long as you've got your key phrases throughout your page, then you'll be fine. But do not keyword stuff, okay? The last thing you want to be doing is saying in your page, for example, we do fantastic cheap kitchens at incredible prices. If you want a cheap kitchen, come into our showroom and check out our cheap kitchens, blah, 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 okay? You kind of get the picture, right? Where that is keyword stuffing and that is not the way naturally people talk. Don't do it. Simple as that. So remember those 3 things: URL, SEO title, and the meta description. And then in the page, have those key phrases and you will be fine. So don't worry about anything else. I'm Billy Elusive from billyelusive.com. Thanks for watching. Awesome.